guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a vlog, beach bonfire. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's just get into this vlog. Now we went to grocery to get some drinks to carry for the bonfire, and I was struggling to take out that cart, but yeah, we were getting some drinks. So we're back on the road and we're heading up to Tyrico Bay. So we arrived at Maracas Beach, and Tyrico is not pretty far from there, but I hope they haven't started the bonfire without me. Fingers crossed. So we have arrived at Tyrico Bay, and well, you can't see the water because it's dark, but the water looks really nice. So now everybody's getting their torches lit to light the bonfire, and it was really beautiful to see all the lights and stuff and everybody just gathered together. Now I'm roasting my marshmallows, which was a complete failure because I got sand in it, but my s'more tasted pretty good. Now this is me just randomly writing my name in the sand right from my foot.
It came out pretty good to me, but let me know in the comments what you guys think of my artwork, because it came out how I wanted it to come out.
Well, we are leaving now, but I couldn't record everything, so I recorded what I could. But it was a really nice experience, and I would do it again.
Now we just came by the savannah for something to eat because we were starving. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get a gyro. Like I said, I'm gonna get a gyro, and it tasted pretty good, guys. So this is the end of my video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.